How to make this professional counter effect. On ChatGPT, we type make me counter from 0 to the number you choose and send it to me as SRT file. We download the SRT file, we preview it and make sure all exists. Now back to Capcut, text, load captions, we choose the SRT file. We bring it to the timeline, waiting it for download. Now we preview it again. We click on any, but make sure that apply to all main captions is checked. We center it, we change the size, we got our preset, we change the font style, I chose Drobic Bold, and applied also the bold effect. Now we make sure that all the numbers are existed. We select them all. On the right click of the mouse, create compound clip. Now we go to the last frame and make a freeze effect. We go to the speed and change it to 3 seconds, but as we can see, it only changed to 12 seconds. To fix that, we go back to the freeze frame we made and bring it to the last of the video. Now we have 12-second videos and a freeze frame. We select those and create also a compound clip. Now go to speed again. We type 3 seconds and enter. And now we got 3 seconds counter. Final freeze frame at the end of the video, and I'll tell you why in a minute. We go to that freeze frame and make it exactly 1 fraction of the second. Now make sure you select the first video and apply the motion blur. And now finally we add audio effect, which is fast forward. We raise the volume of the audio effect and we got this. Now you can simply export it.